The components required for this experiment are ESP32-C3 board, 5V single channel relay, DC water pump, battery holder and a battery, connecting wires and connecting cable. Now log into the Blynk.cloud website. Now go to Developer Zone. Here click New Template. Give the template name as Smart Irrigation with ESP32-C3. Select the hardware as ESP32 and connection type as Wi-Fi. Now click on the Done button. Now go to Setup Data Streams. Here click Create New and give the data stream name as Pump. Click Enter. Select the virtual pin as V1 and data type as integer. Now click on the Save button. Now go to Dashboard. Here drag the switch widget. Now go to Settings. Here choose the data stream as Pump. Now click on the Save button. Now we need to save the template. Now go to Devices from the left side menu. Here click New Device and then select From Template. Here we can see the template which we created. Select that, click Create. Now we got the template ID, template name and authentication token. Copy these values. Now go to your program and then paste those values. Then enter the Wi-Fi username and password. Now we need to upload the program. For that, go to this drop down. So you can see the port is selected. Select that. Now search for the ESP32-C3 board. ESP32-C3 dev module. Select the board. Click OK. Now click this upload button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the ESP32-C3 board. Now we can set up the Blynk mobile dashboard. For that, download the Blynk IoT application from the Play Store. Once you open the application, you can see the template which we created in the Blynk web dashboard. Click on the template, click the settings, and then click the plus icon. Now add a button widget. Now click on the button widget and here choose the data stream as Pump, like we did in the Blynk web dashboard. Now select the button mode as Switch. Go to Design and give the title. Go back. Again click the back button. Now the setup is completed. Now we can check the output.